Basements, with their high moisture levels and organic materials, can be a breeding ground for mold, posing health risks. Preventing mold growth involves addressing the root cause of moisture, whether from external sources like rain, groundwater, floods, or internal sources like high humidity or daily activities. To prevent outdoor moisture, ensure rainwater flows away from your home by extending downspouts further from the house. While floods are hard to prevent, swift action is crucial to prevent mold growth. Open windows for fresh air circulation and dry all items thoroughly. To combat internal moisture, improve airflow with ventilators and keep humidity below 60%. Use a sump pump and perimeter drain to avoid standing water. Avoid drying clothes, storing wooden materials, fabrics, books, or growing plants in the basement, as they can provide a food source for mold. Despite all precautions, if you suspect mold growth, seek professional help immediately. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at bustmold.com or through our app.